What if we could take a little piece of the sun and bring it to Earth? Sounds cool, right? Or maybe deadly. Whether you're into cosmic curiosities or apocalyptic chaos, stick around. Because today we're breaking down what happens when you grab some sun plasma and drop it into your backyard. Spoiler alert, it's messy. Let's dive in. Let's start at the sun's outer layer, the chromosphere. This is where plasma spikes, some as big as Earth, dance in a fiery ballet. Temperatures here range from 6,000 to 20,000 degrees Celsius. But don't be fooled by the heat. The chromosphere is so sparse that it's over 1,000,000 times less dense than the air we breathe. So what happens when we bring a chunk of this layer to Earth? Kaboom! Our sample implodes under Earth's atmospheric pressure. This vacuum collapse releases energy equivalent to 12 kilograms of TNT, causing shock waves that shatter windows, rupture eardrums, and, well, ruin your day if you're too close. Next stop, the photosphere, the sun's dazzling surface. Here, it's about 5,000 degrees Celsius, and it's covered with granules the size of the United States. This is where plasma churns upward like a glowing cosmic lava lamp. If we grab a plasma sphere from a few hundred kilometers below, things get spicy. Our sample, with the energy of 25 kilograms of TNT, wouldn't implode like before. Instead, it'd shine 1,000,000 times brighter than the sun for a brief moment, igniting fires across the lab. Within milliseconds though, it cools and dissipates. Congrats, your lab is now a pile of ash and you're trending on every news channel. Feeling adventurous? Let's journey to the radiative zone. A 2,000,000 degree maze of plasma so dense that photons here take hundreds of thousands of years to escape. Here's the catch. If you bring this high-pressure plasma to Earth, it loses its restraints. And what happens when you suddenly set plasma free? Boom! Like thermonuclear weapon level boom. Our lab, and probably the entire city, would be vaporized instantly. On the bright side, pun intended, no radioactive fallout. But, RIP science experiments. Now let's go all in, the core. The central 1% of the sun contains a third of its mass, with temperatures soaring to 15 million degrees. Here, hydrogen fuses into helium, fueling the sun's fiery brilliance. Bringing a house-sized chunk of this to Earth is not your best idea. This ultra-dense sample carries the energy of 4,000 megatons of TNT, that's 4 billion tons of dynamite. Cue apocalyptic visuals. The moment it arrives, it expands violently, creating an explosion so massive it flattens cities and sets fire to entire continents. If the sample lands in Paris, Londoners will see a second sunrise before turning to ashes. Shockwaves ripple across the globe, plunging us into a mini ice age. Goodbye, civilization. So what have we learned? Bringing the sun to Earth is a terrible idea, whether it's a tiny bit of the chromosphere or a chunk of the core. But hey, at least now you know exactly why scientists leave the sun where it belongs. If you loved this fiery journey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more out-of-this-world content. Got a burning question about space? Drop it in the comments, we might just cover it in our next video. Until then, stay curious and keep your hands far from the sun.